Another driver is you may feel trapped, either in a relationship or work environment. You may feel trapped with your spouse. It's a lot of times of feeling trapped in some area of your life. You may feel that your needs and the requests you make during the day are not being heard. So your subconscious mind makes sure that they are heard loudly all night long. You may keep people at a distance and have kind of like a hermit-like tendency, even when you're surrounded by other people, because you seal your deepest parts off, believing that you need to handle everything all by yourself.